Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Webtech Tutorial. In today's episode, I'm going to be showing you how to contact customer service at Canstar. So in order to contact the customer service of Canstar, you can simply visit their website or call them on the phone number available in the customer service. So I'm going to show you how to contact them by visiting the website. Go ahead and open up a web browser and go to canstar.com.au and press enter on your keyboard to end up in the official site. Once you get to the official site, you can then go ahead and log into your account if you already have one, or if you don't have an account, also you can go ahead and contact them from the main homepage itself. Mouse over to the About button at the top of the screen and then click on Contact Us. In the Contact Us page, scroll down and then go ahead and select one of the options that you need inquiry on. After you are done with it, you can fill in this form and then contact the customer support about your inquiry. Select where you experience the current issue you are going to talk about and then enter the titles and describe the issue in the box with as much details as possible, and then if you've got an image of the issue that you can upload, click on choose a file and upload one of the images you'd like to mention. After you are done with it, you can click on the submit button to submit the inquiry to Canstar customer service. You will also be able to find the email addresses provided for customer inquiries. You can start sending an email detailing your issue or question by picking one of these email addresses displayed on the screen. So that was how you can easily contact Canstar's customer service by visiting their website. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel by hitting the subscribe button. Also press on the notification bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will be back again in the next video. Thank you for watching.